Hello friends, myself Dr. Ruchika Garg. Welcome to your own YouTube channel, Gynecologist Medical Lectures. And I am an associate professor and a gynecologist. And today, many times when you get an ultrasound report, it is written that minimal fluid in cul-de-sac. So what is that? Or minimal fluid in the pouch of Douglas, or minimal fluid in POD. So basically behind the uterus and in front of the rectum there is a pouch, there is a space where some amount of fluid may collect. So it is a normal physiological, that is whenever the ovarian follicle ruptures on the 14th day of a cycle as a part of normal ovulation, small amount of fluid will be seeking in the cul-de-sac. So minimal fluid in cul-de-sac is not of any significance, it is absolutely normal. But if you have an ectopic pregnancy, you have a pregnancy in your tubes and it has ruptured, then it may lead to significant amount of fluid. Or if you have ascites, that is generalized water is there inside your abdomen, your whole peritoneal cavity, then that is not normal. And sometimes if you have PID or pelvic inflammatory disease, that is infection and inflammation of uterus, tubes and ovaries, then you might have this fluid in pouch of Douglas, or you have a tubercular peritonitis or a tubercular abscess or other types of bacterial abscess, or any cyst has ruptured, then it might be pathological, or then it might be a cause of concern. That means then you must contact your doctor. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and put a like, and you can ask your comments in the comment section. And please do share these videos and subscribe to this channel with the bell icon so that you know my all future videos. That's the only motivation for me. And so what is the treatment of this? So if it is a normal because of ovulation, then there is no problem. And but if it is due to PID, the doctor may give you a course of antibiotics for 10 days or 14 days depending on your symptoms. And if it is PID, then you may have lower abdominal pain and associated white discharge or itching in the perineum. And for ectopic pregnancy, I have a separate video. You can see that what needs to be done. Or for other conditions, you need to consult your doctor, and definitely you will be having other problems also if the amount of fluid in the cul-de-sac is more or in the pouch of Douglas is more. But minimal fluid in POD or in it's of no significance, and do not worry. Thank you. Bye bye.